Cystadleuaeth y stand-up sydd nesaf, ac fe cafwyd 5 o geisiadau. The stand-up is this next competition with 5 entries. Yn drydydd, in third,
now those are 2 words we can all associate with. Whether you're a student, teacher, parent, or if you've been watching too much BBC News. We all know the struggle of late assignments. We all know the fear of being late for an online meeting. And don't even get me started on when the mic isn't working. You see, my brain cannot handle time management because it is too busy pretending that it's an internet browser. 12 tabs are open, 4 of them are frozen, and I don't know where the music's coming from. Sometimes, when I am doing my work, my mum will come into my room and she'll ask me, "Erin, how many assignments do you have left?" And then I'll reply, being the stupid 13-year-old I am, and I'll say, 36. 36? Get back online, now! So I'll go back online and onto the channel where the work is, and then I realise there's a meeting.
An aisle,
just going to share a story
second,
with you about the time I broke my
Scott
ankle.
Robinson,
so back in the prime of my career,
Benfro.
I was playing for Crymych under-16s against Tenby. Got absolutely smashed out of a ruck. And I thought, this hurt a bit. So, trip up to hospital. There we are, 3 hours later, casted, he broke a growth plate. Marvellous job. I thought, there we are, pain's finished. I'm booted now 6 weeks, but there we go. And, you know, I had the benefit straight away of it, to be honest. Straight into school, dinner time, Scott, Lleu mynd yn gynnar. Ideal. Everyone's your best mate because they want to come with you, can't go on your own. So that was a hell of a benefit, it was ideal. But then, on a Monday, we'd always just go to Carmarthen and pick me up from school and we'd go up and I'd have a drums lesson. But the downside of this every time was the Morrison shop. And this was always a big shop. We're a family of 6 and it was the big trolley fully loaded. But when we went in this day, I was getting used to my crutches and I just went to the toilet. I came back and Mum was like, "Oh, fi 'di cael wheelchair ti."
Ac yn gyntaf, and in first place, Canlyniad Jones,
Fi di double check o bopeth, dim byd gall mynd yn wrong o gwbl, dy recordo ni'n wneud stand-up. A'n wir eich hyn, na'r peth mwyaf ffynnu I fi byth wedi gweld yn yma wedi, a oedd yn absolutely briliant. Wel, pwy o feddyliau fydden ni mewn y sefyllfa hyn yma yng Nghymru? Mae heil o gyfyngiadau wedi cael ei roi arno ni gan y Llywodraeth, a mae'r mwyafrif wedi dilyn nhw, heblaw am Dominic Cummings. Ond mae lot o bethau wedi newid yn ystod y 12 mis diwethaf. Erbyn hyn, dim hawl da ni mynd mas I gwrdd am ffrindiau fel ni moyn. Gwisgo mygydau, chi'n mynd I siopa, mae Llambed yn ghost town. Ond fi hyderus, 12 mis o nawr, byddwn ni ddim yn gorfod gwisgo mygydau I fynd I siopa. Byddwn ni yn gallu cwrdd am ffrindiau ni. Ac fe fydd Llambed yn ghost town. Lot o bobl wedi gweld heriau gwahanol yn ystod y 12 mis diwethaf hefyd. Lot o bobl wedi gweld un addasu'n I weithio adre yn heriol. Lot o bobl wedi gweld addasu wisgo masg yn heriol hefyd. Nes I gweld y broses o wisgo masg yn un eitha hawdd yn unan, ond wedi gweud ni fi'n neud llawer gyda'r gymdeithas BDSM. Felly doedd hynny ddim yn llawer o her I fynd yn bersonol. Un peth nes I gweld eisiau eleni oedd mynd ar yngwyliau. O'n I fod mynd I intereilo eleni. Rhywun o'ch sydd yn gwybod beth yw intereilo. Chi'n dala tren mewn tref neu ddinas. Neu chi'n mynd trwy gwahanol trefau dinasodd, chi'n stopo, chi'n newid trens, chi'n mynd I gwledydd gwahanol, a wedyn chi'n aros falle cwpl oriau, falle cwpl o ddyddiau mewn ambell I dre, a wedyn chi'n cyrraedd eich dref terfynol. Neu fel fi'n licio galw y tren o Gyfyrddin I Aberystwyth.